Here's Cameron and Ronnie's lasagna. It's made with spaghetti sauce on the bottom, fried onions on the bottom, and hamburger on the bottom. Then so then the noodle. Then on top of that, more sauce, more cottage cheese, onions, and then another noodle, and then cheese on top, and spaghetti sauce before I put the cheese on. And I cooked it at 350 for 45 minutes. Then I took the top off and let it bake another 15 minutes where the sauce get real gooey ooey. And then I put the cheese on, let it bake 5 more minutes till the cheese melted. This is what it looks like. They got 1 pan apiece. And no, I'm not going to be eating this. This is not for me.